Starting a translation service business in America opens the door to a thriving market filled with opportunities. As globalization continues to stitch together disparate cultures, the demand for reliable translation services is soaring. Companies, healthcare providers, legal firms, and government agencies all look for skilled translators proficient in various languages. The journey to establish your service begins with understanding which language pair to specialize in. Popular choices often include Spanish, Chinese, Arabic, French, Korean, Portuguese, and Hindi, each carrying its unique set of clientele and demands. This initial step is crucial, as it sets the stage for your service offerings and target audience. Developing your language skills is vital for credibility and effectiveness in this business. Fluency in at least 2 languages is a prerequisite, but obtaining certification, such as from the American Translators Association, ATA, can enhance your profile and appeal to potential clients. With this foundation, selecting a niche significantly increases your marketability. Specialized fields like legal, medical, business, technical translation, or website localization not only allow you to charge premium rates, but also position you as an expert in those areas, attracting clients who require knowledgeable translators. A comprehensive business plan is the backbone of any successful venture. Outline your services, define your target market, and determine your pricing structure based on startup costs and growth strategies. Next, ensure you register your business name and structure, which could be as a sole proprietorship or LLC in your state. Building a vibrant online presence is essential. A professional website that showcases your services, client testimonials, and competitive pricing will draw in clientele. Invest in advanced translation tools to improve your workflow, allowing for precision and speed while maintaining quality. Researching competitive pricing within the industry will guide your rates, ensuring they align with the expectations of your target market. To find clients, leverage platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn to market your services widely. Cultivating relationships with law firms, hospitals, and other institutions will further bolster your client base. Quality and reliability are key in retaining clients. Thus, meeting deadlines, ensuring accuracy, and delivering exceptional service is essential. As your reputation builds through satisfied clients, word-of-mouth referrals will become a powerful tool for growth. With all these elements taken together, a translation service can evolve into a fruitful and scalable enterprise in the United States, potentially generating earnings ranging from $30,000 to over $100,000 annually, depending on your niche and client base.